Hi boss! In this tutorial, ituturo ko po sa iyo kung paano gumawa ng YouTube thumbnail para magkaroon ka ng maraming views sa mga YouTube video nyo. So, stay tuned! Welcome back to my YouTube channel, and this is Gumera, the founder of Gumera.com and the coach of YouTube Marketing Philippines. So, in this tutorial, ituturo ko sa inyo kung paano gumawa ng YouTube thumbnail using the CANVA app. Okay, kung wala pa kayong CANVA app, just go ahead to Play Store and then search CANVA. Okay. So, you have to install it, guys, bago kayo mag-proceed sa tutorial na to. Okay? And then, once na-install nyo na po, and then kung wala pa kayong account, you have to create your account first para makapag-login kayo sa Canva at magamit nyo po yung mga features niya. Alright. So, once you are done creating your Canva app, open the app again and, okay? Now, let's proceed to the procedure and how to make your YouTube thumbnail. Alright? So, ito po yung dashboard ng Canva. Okay? As you can see, marami siyang mga categories dito. Here. So, para mas madali na mahanap natin yung template para sa YouTube thumbnail, just go to the search box here. And we are going to search the templates. Just type YouTube. Okay? So, as you can see, may lumalabas dito na YouTube channel art tsaka YouTube thumbnail. Magkaiba po yung channel art tsaka thumbnail, guys. Okay? So, as of now, we have to choose the YouTube thumbnail. And then, pwede kayo mamili dito ng mga templates na gusto nyo gamitin. So, piliin nyo po, guys, yung may free na word. Kasi wala yung bayad, pwede siyang gamitin for free. Pero yung may mga 1 peso, 2 pesos, so they are paid. So, kung wala pa kayong budget, let's go to the free muna. But in this tutorial, ituturo ko po sa inyo kung paano gumawa ng customized YouTube thumbnail from scratch. Okay? So, as you can see dito sa my upper left corner ng screen, meron siyang blank na template. So, ito yung gagamitin natin. Just tap it. Alright. Para mag-add ng picture, just tap the plus button sa lower right. And tap image. Okay. Sa portion na to, guys, nasa gallery tayo ng phone natin. So, you have to choose your image na gusto nyo gamitin para sa thumbnail nyo. Okay. For example lang, guys. This. Okay. So, added na siya. Okay. So, kung gusto niyo po ng mga different colors, you can add this one, shape. Just choose whatever, kung ano yung gusto niyo gawin sa thumbnail niyo. Okay. So, meron akong triangle dito. Ganito siya. Ganito ko siya konti. And then, gusto ko siyang i-change color blue. Here. And, i-adjust ko lang ang konti. Oops. So, masyado na natamaan na yung picture ko. There we go. Okay, para makakulay. So, I can change my background. So, it's up to you, okay? Kung gusto nyo mag-add ng different design, here. So, adjust nyo lang po siya. So, dapat nasa gitna siya. Okay? So, ayan guys. Now, gusto ko siyang lagyan ng text. Dito. Add text. So, let's say, discover how to generate leads. So, yan lang muna guys so far. So, adjust natin yung text here. And then, if you like, you can go here. And then to change font here. Okay, whatever you want. So, let's change the font color. Let's say that one. Or this one. Okay, it's up to you. And discover how to generate leads. Pwede din kayo mag-add ulit ng text. Using YouTube. Hindi siya palitan din ng font. Any kind of font. And then, size natin. And change color. So, kung wala kayong nagustuhan na color dun sa standard color, guys, you can change it here. This one. Okay. And still adjust. So, this one. Okay. So, kung gusto niyo po, i-adjust niyo pa to siya. Adjust niyo pa ng konti. Okay. Or if you like, kung gusto niyo po na itong blue is matabunan ng picture ko, this one. So, dapat, panghuli natin siyang ilagay. So, delete muna natin siya. And then, go back tayo sa image. Hanapin natin ulit yung picture na yon. Here. So, see? Natabunan na siya. Ganon. Adjust na lang ng konti. And, here we go. And by the way guys, you can add also illustration dito. Just search, like say, lagyan natin ng subscribe. Search natin yung subscribe button. Oops. So, halos lahat dito is my payment. Just in case yung ilalagay nyo ng mga illustration or mga icons is my payment, you can download it muna sa Google, like what I did. So, nagda-download muna ako ng mga pictures na ilagay ko sa YouTube thumbnail ko. And then, i-add image ko lang siya. So, hanapin muna natin yung ginownload ko earlier. Lagay ko siya dito. Size. Okay. Or you can put it here. Depende sa inyo guys kung paano siya i-position. Alright. That one. Okay. So, what else? So, ayun guys, you can also search for YouTube. Here. Kung gusto niyo po ng play button, just tap it. And put it here. Dito. Okay. Depende sa inyo guys kung paano nyo siya i-arrange yung mga icons sa thumbnail nyo. Okay? So, ayun guys. Meron na tayong nagawa na YouTube thumbnail. So, once done, tap nyo lang po itong download button sa upper right corner ng screen. And, let's wait. Alright. Ayan, meron na tayong thumbnail. Okay? So, let's check it. So, ito na siya guys. Ito na po yung thumbnail pa dun sa video na gagawin natin or ginawa na. Okay? So, ito yung ilalagay nyo sa YouTube thumbnail. So, just add this picture to your thumbnail and you're done. Okay? So, if you will ask me kung paano mag-add ng thumbnail na mas madali, okay? So, you can download this app, guys, YouTube Studio, para mas madali tayong mag-change ng thumbnail. Once you're already uploaded it and kung meron na kayong account, okay? It's very easy. Open it and then let's say pili tayo ng sample dito na video here. Okay, sample lang to guys ha, kung paano natin palitan yung YouTube thumbnail using YouTube Studio na app. So So, open that video and then click this pencil button sa upper right corner. Tap it. And then, nandito na tayo. So, you have to tap the edit thumbnail. Okay. So, dito sa baba guys, choose custom thumbnail. And then, punta kayo sa Canva na app. Hanapin niyo po yung Canva. Here, so Canva. And then, hanapin niyo po yung picture na ginawa niyo para dun sa video na yon. Tap it. Okay. So, once nandiyan na siya guys, just tap select and then mag-update na po yung thumbnail sa video na to. Kung meron kayong natutunan sa video na to, okay, please don't forget to like and share this video with your friends, and don't forget to leave a comment below. And if this is your first time here in my YouTube channel, don't forget to subscribe. Just hit the subscribe button and the bell notification below, so that you will receive notifications every time na mag-upload ako ng panibagong videos. I will post every now and then an updates on how to grow your YouTube channel and how to use your YouTube channel to get more leads for your business. Thank you so much and see you on my next video.